always be the biggest mystery of my life. How that happens. Kasi, it's that thing na pag trinay mo siyang gawin, like i-cheese, hindi siya mangyayari. Pero pag hindi mo siya trinay gawin, wala rin mangyayari. Pero minsan, mangyayari siya. Tapos, you can't take credit for it. But at the same time, you also know na, yun na, like what I said kanina, like, if let's say you're a songwriter that, like us, na you write a lot of songs that have pain in it. That means you yourself will go through a lot of pain in your life. And sometimes it's not easy embracing that. But, yun na, I guess it's those moments when, halimbawa kanina nung papunta dito sa Grab, parang, sobrang, yung si Kuya, pinost ko parang sobrang happy siya kasi yung sa anak niya, tsaka din sa kumpare niya, parang yung mga moments na yun, na makapagbigay ka ng ligaya sa araw ng isang tao. It's more of that yung mga, kasi core memories yun, hindi lang sa mga tao, pero sa amin din. And that's what keeps us going, yung mga core memories na